Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen today. First of all, I'd like to thank all my subscribers, all my videos watchers. If you haven't subscribed and you've been thinking about subscribing to Mr. Belle Kitchen, checking out how he cook in the Power Exhale, I think you should. That's all you have to do is ding, hit that button and you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Today I'll be doing something different in this Power Exhale. Today I'll be making some squash and zucchini together today in the Power Exhale. It was on the list, so as you know, Mr. Belle like to go down that list and everything. So this is one pop up on the list, so I'll be cooking this in the Power Exhale today. And I would like to thank everyone that been leaving comments, nice comments, and I've been getting back to them. If I haven't, I'm sorry, been a little busy, but I will be getting back to them comments. And a lot of people have been leaving comments about the Power Exhale. They didn't know the top come off. Well, as you know, I'm not going to cook the zucchini with the top on and everything. I'm going to use the lid today. So it's very easy to take the top off. That's all you do, wiggle one time and pull it up, and the top is off. So what I'll be using today, I'm going to set it to the side. Today, I'll be using this lid. I know everyone have a lid. Probably wonder what this lid is useful for. I tried to take the top off, I couldn't take it off, but the lid is for the top when you get ready to cook other things in the Power Exhale. So today, I'll be using this lid today. I'm going to set it to the side. Today, I'll be cooking some squash. As you see, I cut the squash a little just to see how good it looked. The squash looking good, the zucchini, and plus I'll be using a half of a purple onion. You can use what kind of onion you want. Mostly everybody use regular onion. I like purple onions. I like to cook with purple onions. Leave good flavor in it. It's a nice color to it and everything. So this is my ingredients today. I have a little Italian seasoning. That's, by the way, that is a half a teaspoon Italian seasoning, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of chicken powder, half a teaspoon of seasoned salt, half a teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and I'll be using butter. You can use butter, olive oil, or whatever you want to use. Today I'll be using butter. I just took a spoon of it and put it in, and you can put whatever you want in the zucchini you want with the squash. Any kind of meat, shrimp, whatever you desire to put in it. Today, this is just vegetarian day today. So what I'm gonna do while I cut up the squash, I'm gonna set this to saute. And I'm gonna press it. I'm gonna set it at 350, and I'm gonna start this for 35 minutes. And as it warming up, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be cutting this squash up and everything, get it ready, nice and good and everything. And I washed it off and everything. Just slice it up just like this. I'm gonna slice it up, and this right here is gonna be a delicious dish. You can have whatever you want with it. Have this nice side dish to have something on the side, nice vegetable. And I'm just gonna cut it just like that. Cut it up. Okay, I'm gonna put my butter in there and just let that melt while I'm still slicing this up and everything, just like that. I'm gonna just let it melt all in there so I can get this kitchen smelling good up in here. Okay, as you see, everything is cut up nice and good. So first of all, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put my onions in. Like I said, you can use whatever kind of onions you want, but I'm gonna just use these purple ones. I like that colorful look and everything. I'm gonna just stir these onions up just like this. Get it smelling real good. Stir it up just like that. Get them saute up a little bit. Just like that. Open them up and just smell them out. Okay, just like that, they looking good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this squash in. I'm just stir this up together. Just like that. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set this lid on for a little while, and on top of it, and you know Mr. Belle like to take you step by step. So I'm gonna put the lid on it for a little while. And let it just steam up. As you see, I always put my hose like this in front. And when you get ready to take it off, instead of going all the way in the back and the water go back on the electric part, I always like to take it off on the side, like this. And drip and steam up. So, as you know, Mr. Belle, as this is cooking, you know Mr. Belle gonna say for all you first time watchers, wash your dishes as you go. Don't leave it for your spouse, don't leave it for your friend, don't leave it for your roommate, because they might not want to eat, they might be hungry, they're afraid they're gonna have to wash their dishes. So wash the dishes as this is cooking. That way everybody enjoy the food when it's done. We're gonna take a look at it. I'm gonna just add just a little bit water in there with it. It's sounding good and everything. I'm gonna take this top off. We're gonna stir this up together like this. Just stir that up for a minute. Nice and good. Just like that, and I'm gonna let it cook. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my seasoning. First, I'm gonna add this little Italian seasoning it all over it like that. I'm gonna add this salt in. I'm gonna add this chicken powder, seasoning salt, sugar. Sugar right here is just gonna blend in with the rest of the seasoning. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna stir that up, that's like that. This right here is gonna be delicious. The side dish or whatever you have. And we'll be looking at this again to see how it's cooking. Get it a good stirry. Put the top on it. And let it cook for a few minutes. You ready? Okay, I'm gonna take this top off. We're gonna look at this together. It's looking nice and good. Everything's nice and soft. And it's smelling good in this kitchen. Like I say, you can use whatever kind of seasoning you want, but this is smelling good in here. We're gonna taste this together. And this right here is done. As you see, it's 20 minutes. I only use 15 minutes of the time and everything. I'm gonna take this out. This will be good with dinner and everything. I'm just gonna press cancel, and I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna take it out, and I'm just gonna put it right here, just like this. Put it right on this plate. Take all this out like that. I'm gonna set this to the side. And this is how this, now that look good. And this is your vegetarian squash, zucchini, and purple onions. And that's cooking with the Bells. We did it again. Thank you for watching. If you like it, that's all you have to do is hit that button, ding, and you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Leave a comment in the box. Thank you.